Alright man, plan is simple. Surfboard, skateboard, connect together. And what do we get? Surfboard, skateboard. Easy mate. Right, we got this beautiful surfboard, which I found. Don't ask me where I found it, but look, it's South African themed, you get me. Alright, then we got the skateboard here. It's a Tony Hawk skateboard, got for like 200 Rand. At some junk place, you get me. And I'm gonna attach that to the bottom of that. Then we'll have the surfboard skateboard, man. Easy peasy. So yeah, let's I think I'll go for drilling options on that, innit? Yeah, and then I'll see you on the other side, mate. Now I'm gonna upgrade to that size because I start with a small hole, get a big hole. It's just general knowledge, you get me? It's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. Ooh, that was a bit out of tune, innit? That's the one. Now I put in this. Oh shit, mate. My nuts are too short. We got a short nut, mate. Alright, so we don't have the right length of nuts, which is not a good thing. So yeah, I'll get some bigger, longer, what's it called? More thread. That's what it's called. Big thread, I'll get. Thread. And then I'll put it through, and then it'll be done. Easy peasy. Alright everyone, new angle, because I had to relocate, because you know, kicked out house and that, innit? I got my popcorn box full of bits and bops, you get me? Let's get this done. One time team. Alright, here we go. Put that in. This one. That's the one. Come now. Right, so this is actually too long, but I can make a plan because I'm scuffed like that. I'm gonna put some of these on the underside and then it'll be shorter on this side. There you go, mate. One there, one there. Let's see. Ish. We're just cutting it. I think when you steer H, then we're gonna have problems. But you know what? Don't matter at the end of the day, you know? Actually no, it probably does. Don't wanna like die, you get me? Let's just check. Let's check. Right? Okay. Skateboard? Okay. Yeah, I think it's about done. That's it, you get me? Skateboard underneath. Shamalama dama, you get me? Beautiful. Give it a test. Almost done. We got you. Surfboard mania, you get me? Almost died. Like and subscribe.